So as a mental health therapist, these are cards that I recommend to a majority of my couples who are really struggling with figuring out fun date nights, things to do. Everybody sort of gets into those routines and monotony in their relationship. Even young couples and newlyweds, you're hoping to feel that spark and that excitement, but sometimes you just don't know what to do. So that's where these cards really come in, and I love them so much. So these cards basically have, it's a deck that comes with 50 cards in here, as you can see. And so these two are blank ones that you can use, but they come here with scratch-offs to give you an idea for a date night. So it tells you what time of the day this date should occur, how long, and how much it might cost. And it also gives you sort of clues about what it is going to be like. So this one says romantic, mealtime, and feel good. Let's check out another one. Let's check out one of these free ones. I love that. So this one is nighttime, 1 to 3 hours, and free, silly, feel good, and competitive. So let's scratch this one off and see what this date idea is. It also comes with a coin, which is amazing. So let me just scratch this off screen so you don't have to see me scratching. And this one looks like it's a game to play together. Okay. So I'm gonna keep scratching here, as you can see. Almost done. Okay. So this one says, category countdown. Draw a grid and write categories like city, food, or animal at the top. Pick a random letter and race to fill the grid with matching words. Set a timer and let the fun begin. Loser buys snacks or drinks to fuel the night. That's really cool. That's a fun idea, and I don't think that would be something that people would often think about doing. As you go through, like I said, there's the nighttime ones, there's the free ones. This one is an anytime, $15 to $20. So there's all sorts in here. You're not going to get bored using this. And then even when you finish this card deck, you can save some of these cards and repeat the ideas for yourselves because you liked it. So these are a really great way to connect with your partner.